Hello guys, welcome once again to BPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website with the plugins. Let's log into your WordPress dashboard. Here I'm going to enter my username and password. Once you enter the dashboard, let's go to plugins. Here I'm going to add new plugins. Let's click on this Add New button. To install Google Tag Manager, here at the right top corner you can search for Google Tag Manager. You can see here first search result Google Tag Manager for WordPress. We're gonna install this plugin to install Google Tag Manager on our website right now. Let's click on Install Now. After installation, you would see here Activate button. Let's click on this Activate button. Then go to the plugins. Here you can see Google Tag Manager for WordPress plugin is activated right now. Right now we successfully installed Google Tag Manager plugins on our website. For the second stage, we're gonna create Google Tag Manager account. Let's go to Google Tag Manager. This is your Google Tag Manager dashboard. You're gonna create new container. You're gonna create new account right now. Let's click on this Create Account button. Then here you're gonna enter your account name. I'm gonna name it PPC Ads Pro. Next, you have to choose your country. I'm gonna go with United Arab Emirates. Then container name. I'm gonna name it PPC Ads Pro website. Next, there is target the platform. There are many platforms like website, iOS, Android app and server. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install Google Tag Manager on my website. Let's click on this web. Then hit on Create button. Here you're gonna accept license agreement, then hit on Yes button. Right now we got two step of codes. The first one you have to copy paste on website header and second one you have to copy paste on body tag. For this tutorial we don't wanna copy paste this code on our website. Instead of that, you're gonna just copy this code. Then go to your WordPress dashboard. Let's find Google Tag Manager. In this setting, you can find Google Tag Manager at the bottom. Let's click on this Google Tag Manager. Copy this ID. You just wanna copy paste this particular ID over there. For the next, you're gonna find a couple of options like footer of the page, custom, codeless injection, and off. This is all about mentioning the second code that's we're gonna install on body tag. So whatever this code, first snippet, it's gonna install on your header tag, and this is something about the second code. For the default, it could be footer of the page. I'm gonna go with the default. Then hit on Save Changes. Okay, that's all done with Google Tag Manager plugins. Then go to the Google Tag Manager. Here you can close the pop-up. Now we have to submit it. Let's click on the Submit button. And here you wanna name it your version. Just name it Google Tag Manager plugin installation. Here you can enter some description. Then hit on Publish button. Then go for preview. Let's click on this preview button. Enter your website URL, then hit on connect button. Let's see here. Right now we successfully installed Google Tag Manager plugin and Google Tag Manager on your website. That's it guys, this is very simple process. First you're gonna install Google Tag Manager plugins on your website, and second you're gonna create Google Tag Manager account and paste this Google Tag Manager ID on your Google Tag Manager plugins. That's it for this tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.